Okay, here's the little green boy. His eyes are open for about 3 days now. Here's the little blue one. Put all the boys out first. Here's the littlest one. It's purple. And here's the little white boy. And the last one is the little yellow boy. Here's all the boys. Okay, here come the girls. This is little pink girl. This is little red girl. And this is the multi girl. And here comes Mom. Go ahead, Susha. Get in there with the babies. Okay. Want to get in? Go ahead. It's a good girl. Good girl. Yeah, everything's all clean.